Hi, I'm with Structural Solutions Chicago. Today we're diving into why TPO is the go-to choice for commercial roofs in the Windy City. Chicago's weather is tough on roofs, from freezing winters to scorching summers. You need a membrane that can handle it all. TPO or thermoplastic polyolefin offers incredible durability and energy efficiency, helping you save on cooling costs while protecting your assets. Its highly reflective surface reduces the heat island effect, making it a sustainable choice for urban environments like ours. But even the best material is only as good as the installation. Specifically, the welding technique is critical for a leak-free roof. The use of advanced hot air welding to fuse the seams together creates a monolithic, waterproof barrier that's stronger than the membrane itself. A poor weld is the leading cause of leaks. It's important to double-check every inch to ensure absolute integrity against Chicago's heavy rains. Now let's talk about RTUs, rooftop units. These are common on Chicago buildings and require special attention during installation. Proper flashing around RTU curbs is essential. Any gap here is an invitation for moisture and structural damage. The use of custom-fit reinforced TPO accessories are required to ensure these complex penetrations remain watertight for decades. Beyond installation, how you treat your roof during routine maintenance determines its true lifespan. This is where walking pads come in. They protect the membrane from heavy foot traffic during HVAC or electrical service. When technicians are kneeling or working around pipes, these pads prevent accidental punctures and localized wear. Walking pads must strategically be installed in high-traffic areas and around all mechanical equipment to safeguard your investment. At Structural Solutions Chicago, we don't just send a contractor, we connect your building to a vetted protection network. From the first inspection to the final GC handoff, our attention to detail is what sets SSC apart. Our goal is simple: to give you peace of mind knowing your Chicago property is protected by the best in the business. If you're considering a TPO roof or need maintenance on an existing one, reach out to the experts at SSC. Structural Solutions Chicago, your partner in professional roofing excellence across the city. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to protecting your roof soon.